extending my warm welcome and wishing a very good morning to all the respected members. School is a temple of learning and a training ground for future citizens. We welcome you to the GR International School located at Port Court, Delhi, and we aspire to inspire. Taking this opportunity today, we will take you to the nooks and corners of our institution and will share the important areas we have highly taken care of to nurture our students. This is a tobacco-free campus with a boundary wall of 8.5 feet which is built at the entrance for the safety of the students, covered by the creepers to add the beauty. As we move inside the main door, we come across the well-maintained and polished entrance where multiple students can head towards their respective classes. GR International School has its roots spread in 4096.63 square meter, which includes school playground, school building along with extra sport facilities. The total built-up area is 1143 square meters. Reception marks most children's very first step into formal schooling. This can be an exciting and never-wrecking time for children and parents alike. Moving inside, we have a principal's office and a management office close to the reception. They make sure to answer all the questions of the parents and provides best counseling where the concerned parent can take the decision wisely. There are a number of drinking water taps with potable water available in the school. All the tanks have RO water filters installed. The RO tanks are serviced timely and the water tanks and the taps are cleaned on daily basis to maintain the hygiene standard. It is very important to focus on the school sanitary standards. We have separate toilets for boys and girls at an adequate distance. As you can see, the girls' washroom is covered and clean. There are separate toilets and wash basins with running water facility and soap facility for the students. The washrooms are well ventilated with a proper partition keeping in mind the safety of the girls. Also, both boys and girls' washroom are cleaned regularly. Coming to the boys' washroom, there are a number of toilets and urinaries for the boys. We have provided the flush facility in the toilets so that students are keeping themselves safe and clean. The washrooms are completely clean and hygienic and all the washroom fittings are clean and in properly working condition. It's really a fast life in this IT world. To update children with the latest information and to know the world by the tip of their fingers, we have a full-fledged computer laboratory with latest computers. The school has left no stone unturned in providing qualitative accessories to be in touch with the modern trend, both online and offline. A small cabin is attached to the main lab and this serves as an extra class for the students. To teach any theoretical topic of computer, that's when we take help of the cabin. The computer lab is highly spacious and fully air conditioned. At the entrance of the main lab, we have a fire extinguisher installed for the safety purpose. There are number of computers in the computer labs which are in fully working condition. There is also a whiteboard in the main lab in order to conduct the class both theoretically and practically. The lab can easily accommodate 30 to 35 students at a time. Computer lab has a good internet connectivity through broadband which works at a speed of 100 Mbps. All the systems are updated with latest software operating system and Office Suite. The software are also timely updated and the lab has 100% power backup system. Now let's take you to the science labs. GR International School has well-equipped laboratories for imparting practical knowledge in physics, chemistry and biology. We have separate laboratories for each of the science subjects for classes 6 to 10th. The first lab is the chemistry lab of 132 by 66 square feet. On the entrance we have a precaution chart for the students. The lab is well equipped and well maintained with a green board to explain the topics and a notice board to display important information. There are a number of racks to safely store funnels, beakers, tubes, stands which are available in different sizes. In the middle, we have a working station which is well maintained and fully equipped. Teachers and students can make best use of the lab and do all the activities required. The lab is well ventilated, spacious and illuminated, and all the fittings in the lab are in fully working condition. We ensure that the students take all the precautions before performing any experiment in the chemistry lab. For that purpose, we have separate cabins for storing chemicals, acids or reagents so that they stay out of the reach of the students. We are available with all sorts of necessary chemicals and acids to perform activities and experiments. All the entries are maintained in the stock register separately for the chemistry lab, and they are also checked periodically. We have separate tables apart from the working station which are designed for the students to perform the experiments individually. The height of these tables has been set according to the height of the students so that they can perform the experiments with an ease. All the items of the chemistry lab are cleaned and maintained timely, and also we ensure that any chemical usage is only done under the supervision of a teacher. Next is the physics lab. The physics lab is of 88 by 73 square feet. We have a well-equipped lab with individual tables. Electrical connections for every table and gas connections are also provided. Also, it has models to make concepts in light and electricity for students to understand better. Labs build the skills required to be a competent experimental physicist by doing small self-contained experiments that last a single session. The laboratory is well equipped and well stocked with all the necessary devices required to perform the experiments individually. Our well qualified and experienced teachers guide the students to explore the world of physics through a meticulously planned schedule of practical classes. As you can see, the lab is super spacious, high ceilinged and airy, and also there are separate number of racks to store the necessary items of the physics lab. All the devices are regularly cleaned and are also updated timely. Fire safety in GRIS is highly taken care of. We have number of fire extinguishers installed in all the labs and corridor, and you will get to see the fire extinguishers throughout the video in the corridors and all the important areas. Next up is the biology lab. As we enter the biology lab, again the very first thing we come across is a fire extinguisher for the safety purpose. Observations and experiments make learning more interesting and fun. Biology lab is well equipped with preserved specimens, slides, models, skeleton, microscope and biovisual charts which emphasize on developing scientific temper among the students. Performing experiment is an interesting task. Students enjoy it as they learn something new from the results. Our students of class 6 to 10th are guided for practicals. Occasionally, students of other classes also make use of biology lab for various activities related to general science. The lab is well ventilated, voluminous and hygienic. We make sure to look after the specimens timely, and all the experiments in the laboratory are performed under the supervision of the teacher. A glass window is installed at an angle where the direct sunlight can come in to make the proper use of the microscopes. After the labs, we come to the wellness room. The wellness room is the students' favorite room as they get time to indulge in fun and frolic activities. And if they are too tired, then they are allowed to take rest as it provides to their physical and mental wellness. There are a good number of extra rooms available in the school. This is one of the room which is of 75 by 62 square feet with a good number of seats, 2 bulletin boards and a green board. The room is spacious, well lighted and airy, and it is well ventilated. We also provide the facility of smart classes. As you can see, a whiteboard and a projector. The smart classes are used to give video lectures to the students to enhance their intelligence and learning. The extra classes is the additional space which can be used in future to add on the extra classrooms. Now we will take you to the senior classrooms. All of our senior classrooms are present on ground floor so that students can study in peace. This is the 10th standard classroom of 75 by 62 square feet. As you can see, there are a good number of seats to accommodate a good number of students with 2 bulletin boards and a green board. All of our classrooms are spacious, well ventilated and airy. All the fans and lights are in fully working condition for the ease of the students. There are 2 gates for entry and exit. Moving to the first floor, it's time to take you to the primary classes. All the primary classes are on first floor, and this is grade 4th, which has its desk designed according to the comfort of the students. In these classrooms as well, there are 2 bulletin boards along with the green board. One bulletin board is used as a student corner where they can highlight their creativity, while the other one is used to display important information. This is the corridor of the first floor. The corridor has multiple bulletin boards, and the purpose of these boards is to display the inter-house activities. We have 4 houses, namely air, water, fire and earth. And also we have fire extinguishers separately on the first floor as well. We provide fire drill training to the students to make them learn the use of the fire extinguishers in the case of the emergency. Please note down that we have a drinking facility available on first floor as well, and here also we have a RO water tanks installed. The school library is designed to cater the augmentation of the instructional needs of the students. It is located on the first floor of the school, easily accessed by the students from their classrooms. Books are precisely arranged in class-wise groups in shelves with proper categorization and information on them. The library has a big stock of books including e-resources, reference books, periodicals, encyclopedias, magazines and dailies. All the books are arranged in shelves in a manner that students are able to pick the books according to their age and height. It is well lighted and illuminated with big tables and a decent space between chairs for the students to sit and delve themselves into the land of books. It is also well ventilated with glass window and located in the corner so that students can read books in tranquility without any disturbance. Library has a good internet connectivity and a system is installed with an updated software to maintain the records. The librarian maintains the records of all the books along with the inflow and outflow. The librarian is very helpful in locating the books as per the need and interest of the students. Next is the sports room for indoor sports facility. This is one of the most favorite place of our students. Outside we have a table for table tennis, and moving inside, sports room is well equipped with mats, different board games, physical education charts and a punching bag. Here students are trained for the self-defense and how they can keep themselves physically active. Students are taught taekwondo, judo, karate, and also we provide them with the proper physical education through whiteboard. The utility of physical education and health clubs can only be understood through active involvement, which will certainly help in creating a healthy society, leading to responsible citizenship as healthy people work better and carry forward a progressive nation. This is an important room as students are taught to be well both mentally and physically. Last but not the least, the school playground acquiring an area of 2090 square meter. School assemblies are held here along with the outdoor sport activities like cricket, badminton, athletics, archery, lawn tennis and skating. GRIS thank you for watching the video and giving your precious time. We highly appreciate it.